Once logged into the application, you will notice a left-hand navigation menu. This menu is locked or open by default, and a user can choose to unlock the menu by selecting the lock icon on the top of the menu. Unlocking the menu will cause that menu to toggle or go away when the user hovers away from the menu. And if you hover over the menu on the left-hand side, the menu options will become visible again. Now I'm going to keep my menu locked for demonstration purposes, and I personally find it easier for myself to keep it locked, but other people prefer for it to be unlocked, and that's completely up to your preference. Now, as a user, I also have the ability to increase or decrease my browser size. And as I increase or decrease my browser size, my browser will become responsive. So the screen is automatically going to adjust based off of the size of my screen that's being displayed. In this case, I've increased my zoom, and now my left-hand navigation menu has went away. Instead, I have a hamburger menu that goes across the top of my screen. And when I select the hamburger menu, my left-hand menu is now available. Again, this hamburger menu only appears when your screen size is really increased, or maybe perhaps you're using the application on like a mobile device. When I select a menu option in the left-hand side, I will see any other modules that are available for that specific menu underneath. So in this case, under the customers menu, I have two different module options that I can select. If I choose to select a module, it's going to go ahead and open up on the right-hand side of my screen in a tab display format. This tab display format allows us to be able to open up several different modules without having to close the previous ones, and then be able to quickly and easily navigate between them. If I select a different menu option on the left-hand side, the previous menu that was opened will be closed or collapse, and the new menu that I selected is now going to expand. Under the Orders menu, I have a few different options here under Order Management, such as Order Inquire, or Start or Stop a Mail Batch, or Enter Orders. Again, as I select different options, they're going to open up within a tab format on the right-hand side of the screen. So now I have an Order Inquire module and a Customer Maintenance module both open, and I can quickly and easily navigate between them with just the click of a button. As we continue training in future sessions here, we will cover more detail how to go ahead and set up customers and create orders, and all of that great information. But I did want to just take a moment here to touch base on the basic navigation within the module screens. You are going to notice some fields are surrounded with a green highlight. That field indicates that an enter key is required for you to move forward. So at this point, I would need to enter a customer number or maybe hit the enter key to start a new customer in this case. As you have started a form within the system from here, any of the other fields then you can just simply use the tab key to navigate through, or if you're a big shortcut user, Shift Tab is going to bring you back, just like any other browser that you would navigate on.